Hey everyone, I'm coming to you from Edgewood here in the Science Building, and we're going to walk out to the Mangrove Nursery. I basically want to thank everyone who's expressed interest in helping with the Brevard Zoo's Restore Our Shores Adopt a Mangrove program. So now what we need to do is you need to plant your mangrove, your red mangrove propagule, and we're going to do that right here in the Mangrove Nursery. All right, before we get started, I have a joke for you. I heard a great joke. This is a red mangrove propagule here. So what do you call a tree that you can hold in your hand? A palm tree. All right, anyway, so what do we need? For this to work, we need a red mangrove propagule. This is a seedling. And notice there's a green end and there's a brown end. So brown end goes down into the dirt. We'll need a pot right here. We'll need a small shovel, and then we need some dirt. So over here we have the dirt that we're going to be using, and if this container is empty, please take one of these bags of dirt and just pour some back in there. All right, so basically here we are. We got our pot, we got our shovel, we got our dirt. We're going to fill up the pot maybe about 3/4 full. All right, you can kind of see how much dirt we have here. That's all there is to it. We're going to come back over here to the table. We're going to grab one of our propagules, make sure brown end down, and stick it in the dirt. And that is literally all that there is to it. Now you have your mangrove to take home, to take care of, to nourish, and bring back at the end of the school year. Now, when you're done here at the station and you've finished, please clean up after yourselves. So any dirt, dump there. One last thing I forgot to mention. Once you take this mangrove home with you, you got to keep it alive. And the big secret to keeping mangroves alive is, one, they don't need to be out in direct sunlight, so under a little bit of shade is fine. And also you need to keep them wet. Do not allow them to dry out. So what I suggest is you find any kind of container, could even be a bucket, and if you look in here, you can see how much water we have in there, and literally just stick the plant, your pot, in there, so there's standing water on the bottom. That's all that there is to it. Check back every couple days, every couple weeks, make sure there's still some water, and your mangrove will do fine. So one last joke before we go. So a red mangrove tree walks into a bank, but the door's locked. So what does he do? Opens up his own branch. Thanks for watching.